set. Oh, Amberdini once again outside stall number 8. While waiting for Amberdini, you can still place your winner take all. Buy your winner take all tickets. Amberdini. Now finally inside, set to go. Race number 2. Stall number 4. Golden Rule now has been bats. Anytime now. Race number 2. Start of the first set of winner take all. Gates open, they're up and racing. Amberdini draws for your lead. Nurture Nature moving up by the release. Golden Rule, then followed Danori inside by Kidneys Magic Special Song. Parthenon Flying Honor, then comes Mystic Charm, and Mr. Maki is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 800. Amberdini, Golden Rule running by the rail. Nurture Nature is getting closer in third, running alongside his Special Song by the rail. Kidneys Magic, Parthenon Flying Honor, routing at the 600. Two runners keep on fighting it out for the lead. Amberdini, Golden Rule is by the rail. Nurture Nature getting closer in third. His Special Song is on the outside fourth. Then followed by Kidneys Magic, Parthenon Flying Honor as they race for home. Golden Rule moving up by the rail. Nurture Nature to grab the lead. Now they are all after Nurture Nature. Amberdini is on the outside. Golden Rule shuffle back in third. Kidneys Magic in fourth. Flying Honor with 75 meters of the race. Conrad Boji Henson on Nurture Nature. Amberdini, Golden Rule, Kidneys Magic, Flying Honor for your Pentapecta.